This is it. Today we're here with Mr. Noel E, half of the Bruce Brothers. Yeah, boy. You bump, you crush.
Helping me out with this assembly build. It's coming. I know it's Friday and it's raining outside, but I appreciate you.
Anytime, bro. No worries. I'm happy to be here witnessing your new baby.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, guys. So first of all, actually, before I came here, I didn't know what kind of Capra or what kind of YT Noel bought. So and I was guessing Capra, and I was right because I was thinking because he goes to Mountain Creek, which is downhill. So I was thinking it was Tuis, YT Tuis, but it's Capra, and I am so right. And we're gonna start building this, and Noel's gonna do the lead, bro.
Alright, you tell me what to do, man.
All right. First things first, we gotta take a video of the opening the box, unboxing. This is the unboxing of Noel's YT Capra.
Yo, delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of
Your heart. Amen.
Capra is the desire of my heart. Let's give it. Alright, things first. What is it? Me first.
Me first.
So I guess we have to check what's inside this. I think this is the full box. So one good thing about Capra is it comes with a full box. Everything you need. You have the welcome packet. See? It's a full box. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. There's the gauge, Allen rings.
This is gonna be in the bike for night ride.
Yeah, it's not gonna make it.
The sticker. Ooh, this sticker costs a lot.
First things first, we don't want we need to get the
Whew. Another one. The rear tire. Nice. Two-tone blue.
Giants view, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah?
It is
It's like a Giants
a Giants blue.
I'm gonna call this the big blue.
The big blue. There you go. It's extra large, so it's big blue.
Large, so big blue.
Nice. There you go. The beauty is coming out. All right, nice. Looking good. Woo, nice. We got the race face, handlebar. Rock Shocks Deluxe, Super Deluxe Select. May isa pa. We have one more to go.
Yeah, bago. After mga ilang ride yun, wala na.
Nice. Okay, isa pa. That's it, bro. Done. What's that, bro?
This is rack rounder stamp set.
Nice.
Bunch.
All right. It has no reflector, right?
No, no. This one. This is the stamp feed. This is for a BMX. Alright.
Yeah, boy. Nice. Okay. Pwede din natin tanggalin to. Sticker.
Tanggalin ito ano.
Yeah.